In this video, I want to show you how to use the Aerobika breathing treatment exercise. Now, we're going to show you how to do it the manual way. Technically, you can hook this up to a nebulizer to get more of an effect. Now, on the Aerobika, you're going to focus on the exhale. Basically, you're breathing out, okay, as opposed to breathing in. There is a device called a spirometer that looks like this. And this one you would inhale, which is a really good device, and I could put in the comment section where you can get one of these. But for now, we're going to focus on the Aerobika. So you want to make sure that nothing's obstructed, like the hole here. And as you can see here, there's different measurements. So the lower the amount, if it's 1, 2, then it's a lower pressure. And then the higher amount at 4, 5 is the higher pressure. It makes it harder. This works by basically vibrating your lungs as you're breathing in. The treatments, you should do these for about 15 minutes, and make sure you do follow your medical doctor's recommendations and follow his or her advice throughout the whole thing. But you would usually do this starting out at 2 times a day, 2 or 3 times a day, for about 15 to 20 minutes. Go ahead and time it. And what you're going to do is you're going to put your mouth around the opening here, and you're going to firmly put your lips around it. And what you're going to do is you're going to inhale originally for about 2 to 3 seconds, and then you're going to slowly exhale. That's where you're doing all the work with the vibrating, and that'll be for more like 10 seconds. And I'll demonstrate how to do that in a second. After you do each treatment, make sure you cough if possible as much as you can to see if you can loosen up any of the phlegm and mucus in your lungs. Alright, let's go ahead and watch me now. We're going to inhale for about 3 seconds, 4 seconds, and then exhale slowly. Alright, we're going to try that again. Inhale for about 3 seconds, and then exhale for about 8 to 10 seconds. And you want to make sure that you don't blow too hard. So it's not like you're blowing as hard as you can. It's going to be about a medium amount of blowing. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.